This is scented in Royal Jubilee, Cherry Jubilee, sorry, from Nature's Garden, and it smells so good. As you can see, it discolors brown. You can see along the edge, it was yellow when I added the fragrance. I did add some titanium dioxide to hopefully mitigate some of the brown, but it will go brown. There's my pie slice. I did a red and pink swirl. And look at the top. I just love this lattice pie. I think it is cute. And I am pleased with this one. That piece moved over to the side. I wanted them closer together, but that's okay. Yeah, we'll see how this darkens. If it gets darker than the outside edge, or if it stays about the color of the outside edge. But it smells so good, and it's so cute, and I'm really pleased with this one. I do wish my pie slices hadn't shifted and it was closer, but other than that, it's still pretty. But there you have it, Royal Cherry Jubilee.